You Spider-Man today?
Yeah.
What happened to Captain America?
I just turned into Spider-Man.
If you're Spider-Man, do you know who I am?
Yeah, you're Uncle B.
Oh, I'm Dr. Octopus. And I got you, Spider-Man. I got you with my tentacles.
Help me, Gus Spider.
Did you call me Cousin Spider?
And I'll get you with my ticklers. You said it even right. I can get you. I'll get you, Spider-Man. I'll get you.
No, you can't, because I'm superhero.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm super villain. Yeah, you better run, girl.
Good morning. Coffee, eggs, kids.
Hey, do you want... Where'd you go? Where's Caitlin? Are they outside?
Are they allowed to sit outside?
Maybe. Sound effects. I love sound effects. That's why people like...
If I wouldn't know any better, I would say those boys are embracing their... What are you guys doing back there?
I hit my head. Hiding Dominic.
Uh-oh. Hiding from Nick?
No, hiding Dominic.
Oh, hiding Dominic. Is he still back there? Oh, he is. Were the girls hiding you?
Yeah.
It's like a little jailbird.
He's like, yeah.
They said he was in there, so he was going, she's coming.
He went and shut the door and went like this. Right here. And then he came down between us and he goes, she's coming.
Baby, sausage.
Guys,
I'm gonna get Caitlin some eggs.
Yep, get her bright eggs.
that's not nice.
No.
Welcome. Did you just bring ice cream for breakfast?
Yes, I did. It's gotta get used up, man.
Oh, and Spam, you're gonna make Bill happy. He'll love that. Not, I don't know if he really will, but.
Those mountain of eggs.
You're joining the crazy. Come on in. Some ham, some Spam. This is my breakfast. This is beautiful right here.
That is fucking good.
Mm-hmm.
That's
That
serious? That looks great, man.
coffee.
The first time, like a few days ago, and now he loves it.
I know, that's when I get this.
What's he doing?
I put him off the chair, and he acted like he fell.
Oh no. Well, that's a long fall.
Put him on the floor.
Hi. Don't play that chair, please.
Can you not do that?
And there you go.
Is that your first
There it is,
Spam?
right there.
I feel like I had it in Hawaii.
I think you had it in Hawaii, I'm sure.
I'll bring you some fried spam. Well,
Christmas gifts, there you go. Spam from
it
Grandpa.
won't go bad. Just give me some spam, Dad.
Huh? Holy cow.
So this is probably the patriotic.
that's patriotic bundle.
Maybe, that might be the patriotic side.
And then these are the maple bacon. This is probably the cinnamon.
Blueberry crumble.
toast.
Holy cow.
Oreo or strawberry Oreo?
We need Tom's there too.
Give me the bake.
The bake.
The bacon one was really good. I don't usually like bacon donuts.
Hey, Dominic, no running, guys. No running. Dominic! No running!
Just well put together.
Well, he is being chased, Karen.
Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Beautiful sloppy, beautiful sloppy.
It's him.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh wow. She keeps taking him to school and she says, he learned about guts. I was like, oh, okay. You learned about guts. That's great.
Good guts.
Sit down, sit down.
Wow, you're strong. Watch out.
He's like, help me! Look who the cat dragged in.
Hello. How are you all?
Oh no. This is our last few minutes together on the beach unless we come out late because they're all packing up. This is making me sad.
You sure did. And then we got dirty again, didn't I?
Ah. Ooh, careful. What's so good at the pool?
No jellyfish?
No jellyfish. You can see them if they come up to you. You'll be safe.
A shark ate me.
What, baby?
A shark.
You saw a shark?
At the pool.
Oh, at the pool. Gotcha.
There's a bunch of animal pictures on the wall of the pool. And there was a shark on a picture.
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. It's kind of chilly when you get out, isn't it?
Crazy, we saw dolphins yesterday.
Oh, I know. What? That was crazy.
Which one we're missing? Can you tell which one?
That's so obnoxious to say to your uncle.
So mean.
She is mean.
Do you know what he said to me last night?
I am a nice uncle.
No, it's not like he read this and was like, this is a good book, I want you to read it. It was, I got this book, you can read it if you want. He hasn't read this book. He doesn't know if
So
it
to
was
be
awful.
fair, I didn't recommend it.
Gotcha. I thought you recommended it and she was dogging you. Much
think
different
this is
story.
one circumstance where the movie is better.
Well, last few hours left on the beach. Having some lunch. We're all scrounging and just eating whatever's left over. I'm getting a sore on my lip with the
Still in a certain mindset.
keeping ice on it.
What was healthy.
And then we're gonna go get ready for some dinner to meet up with some friends that we're super excited to see.
What?
And then packing up, which is gonna make us all really sad. Will maybe can. Maybe Steven will.
With me 'cause I'm blind.
Oh yeah, she has no glasses on. She needs somebody to go.
Have you been wearing contacts?
Oh, last time. Oh, there you go. She's got. Having some time. Alright, so I went and stopped at this little bakery to get some treats. And I got this little cookie. Lots of cookies to take and some wine. It looks yummy. Heading to dinner with our friends. Well, Franny went up at like 2, I think, to get ready. And we decided we were going to leave the house at 3:30 because we had to make a few stops. Oh, it was 2:30. Okay. We decided we were going to leave at 3:30 because we had to make a few stops. At 3:10, Grandpa and Bill and Allie and Steven and Tom. Was Tom out there too?
The killer was, we were on our way out when Dad
Yeah, they were
decided to get in.
They went to go rinse, and then Dad went out. So they were like, "Oh,
We can't go in if Dad's coming out.
I know."
you
So I saw that, and I got a little bit of video, and then it was like almost quarter after. I was like, "Oh my gosh, we gotta hurry up." So I broke all of the stuff down and loaded it, and then they finally got out, and we were just dying trying to get out of the sand. I didn't take my shoes down, and it was really miserable. And
So she used my shoes.
I used Allie's shoes, and I let her run because I was pulling the wagon and it was going slow. And at one point my feet were burning so bad, I jumped onto somebody else's blanket. And I'm like, I'm really sorry. Like, I really physically didn't think I could stand there any longer. So I think Bill burned the bottom of his feet because he made a couple trips back and forth, but the sand was hot today. And this is the only day I didn't take my, it's the only day I didn't take my shoes. Anyway, super excited to see our friends. We haven't seen them in a year, and a little sad that it's the last night, but I think if we were back at the condo with everybody, we would all just be like whining and moping that it's the last day, and that we would just be like spending the whole evening being sad instead of enjoying the evening. So at least this is something like that we've been looking forward to, so we won't spend the whole evening going, oh, it's the last day. We'll be like, yay, we're with friends. So hopefully it'll be good. This is pretty. Look at all that. Oh, I thought, oh my God, look at all that smoke. Somebody's just grilling. I'm dumb. Oh, look how pretty.
In half a mile, turn
I
left
love
onto
the
Georgetown
trees with
Drive.
the Spanish moss. They got a lot of them. Yeah, I wonder if there is gators in there. We'll have to ask.
I bet they do.
Yeah, I guess they probably do. So we just got finished with dinner. Oh, my belly is so full. Such
good
good
food. Wow.
southern food, like she was saying. The dessert was really good. The wine was really good. And now I'm really tired. But we gotta go home and pack. And that really sucks.
What time are we getting up and leaving?
Early.
7.
Yeah.
I appreciate y'all singing with me. Y'all make me need
Here's the strip. Everybody's out walking. Oh, there's Milk. We never made it there. Okay. Oh, we're saying our byes to Steven and Kayla. Dad and Tom already left. We're so sad. Be sad. Be sad, friend. Be sad. I thought you were gonna go on to go. I'm like, that's not sad. That's dead. I know you were thinking about it.
I can do this for you.
That was my sad day. It was good to see you. Hey, don't.
All of that should be empty because that's all food, but it's all food that I'm freaking taking back.